So it's maybe time to have a look at some of the features of the Potensic Atom 2. So I can see it has a waypoint feature here. This little, that looks like a waypoint feature here. Tap the C1 button to add a waypoint. So all I'll do is, I'll just do a little waypoint around about this field here. Okay, so that's the waypoint set in. And how to start it next. Let's set the global speed quite fast and we'll hit go. And off it goes. Carrying out the waypoint mission, including the height changes that I've put in. So very simple, very easy waypoint mission there. That was no problem at all. I do believe there's a tracking feature built into it, so I'll test that out now. And I think it might be as simple as drawing a square around, hitting follow. I can see where the quick shots come up now, and hopefully the drone should follow me. Hopefully the drone should follow me, and it does look like it is. Is it following me? I'm not so sure. It's not. You have to hit go. Okay, so there you go, you have to hit the go button to make it follow you, of course. And how close could you actually get it? Right, so that auto track seems like quite a good feature, working well. Without any hassle, without reading the manual. Simply draw a rectangle around the person you want to follow, which in this case is me, and it will follow you when you hit the go button. Okay, so there's also, I believe here, if I do this, there's a QuickShots now. Right, so there are a series of QuickShots. Alright there! So a pull away shot is called here. We know it from DJI's world as a drone. So this is the pull away from Potensic. Okay, and once it finishes, should return back to where it started from. And there it is, it's returning. So this QuickShot's quite easy to set up. All you really do is, now wait till this is finished, draw your shape around you, hit the all QuickShots. Here's a rocket, hit go, and up it goes, straight up. Another one I noticed is circle, but for that one I'm going to have to move out a little bit. And I may have to be careful that it doesn't clip any of the trees, because I don't know how wide the circle is. So I may actually go up quite a bit and try a circle here, being careful with the other trees. Okay, and I may have to abort this if it gets close to the trees. So here's circle. So 3 perfectly good quick shots having a look to see if there are any more. Alright, so we've got a spiral, boomerang, and a dolly zoom. Now that's interesting. Let's see what the dolly zoom does. Right, I probably need a better background to make a good dolly zoom. This isn't the best setup for it. Try it again though. Yeah, to get the best effect from a dolly zoom you need a different environment than the one I'm in at the moment. Now I don't want to try the, well, I could try the spiral. I'll have to go back out a little bit to try the spiral on the boomerang. So let's have a look at the spiral. One of my favourite moves from the DJI drones, and it's good to see that Potensic have added this QuickShot into the Atom 2. It's a terrific AI manoeuvre. Okay, I'll just stop that myself because the battery's down to 36%. And the other one is the boomerang. So let's have a look at the boomerang. Okay, cancelled that one because I was getting a bit too close to the trees. But you can see that it was going to work fine. It would have worked fine had I been in a better environment. Okay, so that's all of the quick shots that I can see. And there is a parallel track as well, so let's see if I can get that set up. Okay, so a parallel track. And that's working fine too. And if I turn round, will it track me back? It will. So that's really good. A lot of features that the DJI Mini 3 Pro has. This is not a comparison video. Very impressive. I think I'm going to finish up there. I've completed all of the features as far as I can tell. And I'm now down to 23% battery, so I think I'll call it an end there. So for the features that I've had a quick look at here, follow, AI track, AI follow, which worked perfectly, in parallel as well as in front and behind. It has QuickShots, drone, or it's called, I forget what you call the drone here, up and away, or whatever it was called, circle, boomerang, helix, and full waypoint missions. So that is just looking at it here for the first time. Without having read any manuals, watched any videos on how to do things. It's very user friendly. If you have flown other drones before, it uses the same techniques, you know, drawing a rectangle around yourself to enable the AI features, or the auto flight features. And yeah, so I have to emphasize, I'm not being paid by Potensic to make this video. I am keeping the drone, and it will have a place of pride now. I'll take this drone out and use it on occasion, but it's a fantastic drone. And if you're looking to get a drone and you're just stepping into the market, this is one you should absolutely consider. I'll leave links in the description to all of the Potensic places where you can buy it, and all of the extra information about this drone here. Very good drone, really like it. Didn't think I was going to be as impressed as I am. So thanks for watching all the way to the end if you did. If you didn't, to hell with you, and cheerio now.